Alright guys, so today we're gonna discuss about a MTN mobile money business. The Momo business. If you are aiming to start the Momo business, what you need to put in your mind, the same that you actually need, the capital, the amount of money that you have to get, the best location, and the rules in the game. Alright, and at the end of today's video, I'm gonna teach you one secret about the MTN mobile money business. If you're ready, smash that like button. Let me know where you are watching me from. Hey, if you don't know me, the name is Mr. Speezy and I take you through business, investment, Momo business like this, and anything that can actually help you and I to create wealth. The goal is to create financial freedom, location freedom, and time freedom. So without wasting much of your time, let's start with today's video. Alright, so now that you are ready, let's start with who is an agent and who can actually do, let me say this way, who can start the Momo business. Who qualifies to be a Momo agent? The answer is super simple. When it comes to the Momo business, I say we have two people who can actually do the Momo business and succeed. All right, one, somebody who can't actually read and write, but you still want to set up this particular business. You can actually start with the Momo business and nothing can stop you. All right, why am I saying this? If you can't actually read and write, then you need to put in your mind you're not gonna sit at the back of the table, under the umbrella to receive the customers, but you can actually go for the agency, buy the necessary equipment, the tools, then employ somebody to work for you. Then you pay that person at the end of the month. You feel me? So even if you can't read and write, but you want to create another source of income, you can actually start the MTN Momo business. All right. The next person who can actually do this business, you know the person, somebody who can actually read and write and want to start his or her own business. This Momo business can actually be your best option. Now that you've gotten this, let's look at which SIM do you actually need if you want to enter into the Momo business. You have the merchant SIM and the agent SIM. You're going to consider which SIM do you actually need if you want to start the MTN mobile money business. Super simple. You need to put in your mind when it comes to the SIMs, we have two SIMs. You have the merchant SIM and the agent SIM. All right. So now I'm going to explain these two SIMs to you. When we consider the merchant SIM, let's say you have an enterprise, a shop, supermarket, you have opened a business and you want people to pay their money through mobile money. All right, now the merchant SIM is the best SIM that you can actually go for. All right, so the merchant SIM, let's say you go to Melcom, you go to any supermarket and they tell you to send money through a particular number. That SIM is a merchant SIM. So the merchant SIM is for business people, somebody who has already created a business which is not mobile money business. All right, supermarket, enterprise, any kind of business, and you want to collect money through electronic. The merchant SIM is the best SIM for you. Now, if you want to start the Momo business, the real one that we are discussing here, you need what is called the agent SIM. You feel me? Now, the agent SIM is the one that we're going to discuss in this particular video. So if you are starting the Momo business, you need an agent SIM. Now the question is, how can you actually get this particular agent SIM? That's super simple. I'm going to break everything down in today's video, the documents that you need so that you can actually get the agent SIM. And wait, because I'm going to tell you something at the end of this video. All right, how you can actually get this agent SIM without you stressing your body. Feel me? Let's move on. Now, for you to start a MTN mobile money business, as I said, you need the agent SIM. So now let's consider the document that you need in order for you to get or go for the agent SIM. First document that you have to get if you want to acquire the agent SIM, you need what is called business certificate, and this is where the problem lies. Most Ghanaian youth, I mean, most people don't have business certificate, though they are operating, they have set up a business, but they haven't registered this particular business. So how can you actually get the same? If you want to get the same, then what I'm going to tell you is to register your business. If you have set up a business, just go and register your business. If you want me to guide you, you can actually DM me from the number in the description box, and I'm gonna assist you to register your business. Please, I'm not the one gonna register for you, but I can direct you how you can actually register your business so that you can get the business certificate. All right. So now, if you register your business, you're gonna get a business certificate. Now, the next document that you need is your identity card, and that's a Ghana card, because MTN gonna take these two documents before they will cut the agent SIM for you. So you need a business certificate and a Ghana card. And I know you have a Ghana card. If you don't have Ghana card, then please go for it. All right. For some reasons, you don't have business, so you can't actually register your business. How can you get this SIM? What I'm going to tell you is to look for somebody who owns a business. Talk to that person. Make sure the person is genuine. Before you approach the person, you must know the particular person that you are going for his or her business certificate. So now get a trusted person, and if that person gives you his or her business certificate, then you can actually add your Ghana card and go to MTN office, and MTN gonna cut this particular SIM for you. But you have to put in your mind, anytime there's a problem on that agent SIM, the two of you needs to be there before MTN will will cut a new SIM for you. Let me make everything simple for you. Let's say I give you my business set and you added your Ghana card. The two of us, you and I, will go to MTN office before MTN will give us a new SIM. All right. If the old SIM gets a problem, they won't cut it for you unless the two of us are there. So make sure you get a trusted person, somebody that in the future, if there's a problem, that person gonna leave his or her things and follow you to MTN office. That's why I will advise you, for you to succeed in this business, for you to have a peace of mind, make sure you get your business certificate in your name, then you apply the agent SIM. Super simple. All right. But if you still want to do it, then you can actually get a business certificate. Go ahead and cut that SIM at the MTN office. Super simple. Now, let's look at the thing that you need before you can actually start with the MTN mobile money business. Okay, so you need to get these tools, this equipment, before you can actually start the MTN mobile money business. What you have to do first is to ask yourself, am I willing to do this business? If yes, then you need to get the agent SIM. Now, after the agent SIM, you need what is called the umbrella, a simple table, all right, and a plastic chair. Please do not go and make a container at this moment, all right? But if you want to go full into the business, you can actually let people do container for you so that you'll be well protected. All right, but for you to save money, you need umbrella, a simple table, your chair, and your mobile phone, the one that you're gonna insert the agent SIM inside, and a capital. That's super simple. Now, how much do you actually need to start the MTN mobile money business? All right, so when it comes to the amount of capital, the amount of money that you need to start the Momo business, it's gonna depend on you. But you have to put in your mind that the bigger your money, the bigger the interest that you're gonna earn. All right. So when it comes to the mobile money business, your startup capital will determine the amount of money that you're gonna earn. You feel me? I'm gonna explain things to you. Pay attention. If you are at a busy place and people are doing cash out, withdrawing money, and your money is less, you know what? When they withdraw the money, you have to move around and go and withdraw that money from the bank, because when they withdraw the money, you're gonna get e-cash. The physical money you'll be giving to them, and you receive their Momo, the one on their phones onto your agent sim. So when they withdraw, you get e-cash, electronic cash. All right. So if your capital is small, one, it's going to waste your time, because the moment one or two people comes to withdraw, you have to go and withdraw that money from the bank to get a physical cash. You feel me? That's super simple. But if you have a big capital, you can be at one place from morning to afternoon, then be serving your customers, because you have a lot of e-cash and you have a lot of physical cash. You feel me? So you have to balance these two in order for you to make more money. All right. And the more people withdraw money, the more you're gonna earn. That's super simple. Let me teach you this. When it comes to the mobile money business, you're gonna earn money in three ways: withdrawal commission, deposit and sending money, all right, and selling of data and airtime. I mean, it's three. So if you are not smart, you're gonna lose money. You're gonna sit there without earning more. All right. So you need to be smart. At least if you have 1,000 Ghana cedis, I will shoot a video to show you how you can actually balance yourself with 1,000 Ghana cedis. So make sure you subscribe to this channel and wait for that particular video. All right. But if you have 2,000 Ghana cedis, 3,000 Ghana cedis, 4,000, 10,000, 20,000, then you are the best guy for this business. All right. So make sure you get enough money if you want to earn more. That's super simple. Up to this point, if you are finding this video to be helpful, just give it a like, subscribe to the channel, let me know where you are watching me from, and I will be happy to know where this video had reached. All right. Super simple. Now the best location